Nicholas, what is it doing right now outside? It's snowing?
Yeah.
Wave to the camera.
Do you like the snow?
You gonna make a snowman?
Yeah, make a snowman.
You do it.
Yeah. What happened?
Whoa, what are you doing?
I think and Mommy.
Yo, you gonna throw it at Mommy?
Are you making a tunnel? Go like this.
Clap your hands together. Yeah, good job, bud. How's it taste?
Is it good?
Is it hot or is it cold?
Go.
Cold. Oh, you eating the snow?
Is it good?
Yummy. Do you like Minnesota winters? Do you like Minnesota winters?
Yeah. Now what are you gonna do?
Cleaning off the step?